Little babies right now. And look at our little angels. Look how big they got. We got their coop all fixed up recently. They get to spread their wings outside. I know what it's like to be stuck indoors all day and make you stir crazy and shit. So it was great for them to go around, have some fun, and a great outdoors, don't you think? I mean, it's pretty humid outside, but, you know, it's something. What the fucking clucking doing, motherfuckers? We're going to be filming more chickens now. She's currently eating some bird seeds. It was raining earlier today, so it's a nice time for them to cool off. I know they must have feel very relieved. So was the ducks. Look at them go. And there's our girl, Lucy. The best girl in the coop. Well, we certainly have this cat around here. It's not our cat, but she just decided to just come visit us whenever time she wants food. Not sure if we count her as ours, but she's just waiting here until we get her something to eat. I'm gonna give her something to eat soon. I don't know that red stuff on her, but it's a little concerning. But I'll see what I can do.